panicked and terrified. He asked the couple if they were planning to hand him over to the army. Thou answered that, though that they would be the right thing to do, but they had not come to decision yet. Meanwhile, he told the boy from telling him his name unless asked to do so. So thou dutifully continued to treat his wounds. Means now the person was in his sense. So he asked the doctor that what they would do with him now. But thou has not given any response to him. So when he moved the last stitches after his treatment, he knew that now it would not take further more than fortnight for the patient to be well. So he typed a letter addressed to the chief of police reporting that on the 21st day of February an escaped person was washed up on the shore in front of his house. He kept this unfinished letter in a secret drawer. On the 7th day after having taken the prisoner, the servants of their household decided to leave as a mark of protest for giving shelter to enemy. Means now their servant decided to leave them because they don't want to live at that house where they have given shelter to an enemy. But Sadao, even though accepting that the American was his enemy, refused to turn his patient away because he had been trained to save lives. However, the servants left with their belongings and Hannah took up herself all the chores of the household. Now Hannah has started doing all the work at home. In the afternoon on the same day, a messenger came. A terrified Hannah ran to Sadao thinking that the servant must have disclosed the information about the prisoner. But the messenger had actually come to fetch Sadao to treat the journal, who was in pain. Seeing Hannah in distress, Sadao decided to get rid of the prisoner as soon as possible. During his meeting with Journal, Dr. Sadao disclosed everything about the prisoner. Firstly, the Journal became angry. But since Sadao was very kind to the Journal and the doctor's possible arrest for harboring an enemy would affect him as well, he told, because the Journal knows that if he told the army or the higher authorities about the Sadao that he has given shelter to enemy, that they would arrest him. But the Journal needs Dr. Sadao, so he told Sadao that he would send his private Azazians, means his private soldiers at night, who would silently kill the prisoner and dispose of the body. Sadao thought it best not to scare Hannah by telling her about the plan, so he decided to keep it as a secret. So he went to check on the boy who was out of bed. Tom. Tom was the name of this prisoner. Tom, for that what his name, thanked Sadao for saving his life. Sadao's conscience pricked him, and he could not sleep for 3 nights because he was accepting that when any time the persons who are sending by the Journal will come to kill the Tom. Unable to take it anymore, he devised a plan for Tom's escape. What happened? 3 days Dr. Sadao waited for the people to come and to kill the Tom. But the 4th day he was frustrated and he had a plan. He revealed to Tom that the authorities knew his presence in the house and that he would give him his boat, which could be rowed at night to an island nearby. He warned him not to take help from anyone except a Korean fishing boat. When night approached, Sadao dragged his boat to the shore, put food some clothes, food, water, two quilts in it. He did not let Hannah know anything about the escape plan. He checked Tom's health status and gave him his own flashlight. He also gave him his flashlight that if there will any problem with you, you will give me signal by having two flashes at the instant the sun dropped over the horizon in case he ran out of food. So now Dr. Sadao had a plan for the prisoner, for the Tom. He told him that he will give him his boat, some food and some quills, that he should escape from here to the nearby island. And whenever he saw any Korean, means any American boat, he can go to his country back. He also gave him flashlight that if he need anything, if he need food, there was a shortage of food, then he will flash this flashlight at night 2 times, so he would send help to him. He warned him against using fire. He also warned him that don't use fire there because he will be spotted easily. He dressed him up in Japanese cloth and tied a black cloth about his head. The American shook his hand warmly with Dr. Sadao and went from there. Sadao then went to journal, and after operating upon him